Hey guys, welcome to the Scale. So in this video, we are finally continuing our Claude SEO Autopilot experiment. We've already covered 4 distinct keyword research methods, which are product gap, question gap, data gap, and news gap. We've done our first product review article that is connected to the product gap skill. And today we'll be installing the newest edition of the Claude SEO Autopilot family, which is the informational article. For those of you unaware, this is part of an enormous Claude SEO automation that lets you vibe SEO any of your websites, from keyword research to writing articles to connecting to your CMS of choice, doing on-page indexing and everything in between. So let's get started. Okay, so before I show you the actual skill, let me just tell you that there is a lot that went into the production of this skill or plugin. So we are building articles that get cited by AI, not just buried in page 12. And this informational article skill builds publish-ready, schema-rich, citation-engineered HTML articles in one co-work session. It's a 9-stage pipeline, 27 check verification. This is based on Ahrefs data. Some of the articles that I've been using is this one, How to Earn LLM Citations, which has an amazing anatomy of a highly citable page bit. Also this article here, 10 ways to work your brand into AI answers, and many others. So we all know that informational articles is the one entity that AI overviews completely overtook. So you need to keep optimizing for LLMs. Even though this skill runs in a single session, there is a lot going for it. You get a pre-flight interview that captures your author name, your profile, topic, website, then it auto-detects the intention. It decides on the primary source of your research, it internal links, generates LSI keywords, takes optional screenshots if needed, does image generation through the GPT Image 2 API, builds the complete HTML, and then runs 2 separate checks. So the one is basic on-page SEO, whether the primary keyword is in the H1, in the meta description, in the first 50 words, in multiple H2s, and there is also the LLM optimization layer, which checks whether there are Q&A citations, key takeaways, that the H2s are in the question format, that there are comparison tables, sources, FAQs, and the whole works. And again, you should stop writing articles the old way and start optimizing for the LLMs. That focuses on the 40-word Q&A punchline, key takeaways, question formatted H2s, comparison tables, strong EET signals, and references to sources used. Now, this is how the article looks like. This is a keyword-rich H1, a quick answer. So the keyword is candoxid longens. Candoxid longens, yes, the white flash of a pewt. Seeded longan is a non-toxic to dogs in small amounts, but the seed, shell, and dried form each pose real risks. Now, a beautifully crafted image, key takeaways, H2s formulated as questions, infographic, table, multiple references, CTAs, and just an overall beautiful looking article, which ends with the information about the author and the primary sources cited. So the way to install it is very simple. You start a new task, you go to Claude Cowork, you click on Customize, then next to the personal plugins, you click on this plus sign, create plugin, upload plugin, and get this plugin here. You click on upload. And now that your informational article plugin is installed, you can reference it as a skill. The only thing that you would have to do is to get your GPT-2 image API. And this is very simple. You go to a website called kia.ai, you go to markets, then API keys, grab your API key from here, which you have to create first. And before using this whole thing, you need to top up. And this is a pay-as-you-go situation, so you can test this out with $5. And this is going to last you for a while. So let's go back to Claude, start a new task, and we'll do something like use my informational article skill to produce an article on can dogs eat bananas. Now this should identify the skill, which it has. And now enter the interview stage. Okay, what is the target site for internal links? Let me say safefordog.com, which used to be my website that I sold a while ago. What display name, which is me. For the author profile, I'll just insert my LinkedIn profile, one-line credentials, must mention dogs, an expert blogger in the dogs niche with a focus on behavior and health. Where should I get the author avatar? Skip the avatar. Let's continue. As you can see, this is now researching the topic. Okay, it is now trying to access the site's sitemap. Okay, the skill has proceeded to generating relevant LSI keywords and entities. Okay, it is now generating my images. When you run this on your computer, it will ask you for the GPT image to API. Okay, so this is our article. Let's take a look. Keyword rich title, beautiful featured image, answer. Okay, we'll need to fix that. Okay, beautiful infographic. And yeah, I'm very happy with the result. So besides this little hiccup, everything checks out. And this is an article that LLMs are going to cite. So now there are two ways you can get this. You can get this as part of your regular school subscription, or you can get this separately in my Vibe SEO skill shop. This is going to be under content. If whatever skill is also available in the school, it's going to give you the school link here, and it's also going to be in the free in school bundle. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.